There we go. Hey, this is my entry for my daily 100 days of Keto Chow.
And I get to be on it.
Yeah, you do. What day is today? 23rd. So it must be day 22.
Yeah.
I really should keep track of these things.
Just wait, next month it'll be harder.
I know, next month is...
You won't have to add one.
We'll have to take one off the
day.
Yeah. So we're just here waiting for some stuff. Yep. And just hanging out in the truck waiting. So I figured I'd do the update. We did our Facebook Live last night. That was a lot of fun. We got to talk about a lot of stuff. Check it out.
We're not like doctors or anything, so we can't give medical advice.
Yeah. We don't even act like we're doctors, so it's okay. Let's see. What do we got going on today?
We're going to go to Sam's Club.
Yeah, we're going to go to Sam's Club. And we've decided that we're going to implement some project management and get a Kanban board and start putting stuff up so that we can have a to-do, in progress, done, and a backlog so that we can actually tackle all the stuff that needs to be done.
Because it's just a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it is. Your glasses reflect light really well.
I told you, it's super shiny.
Well, last night I was looking at the recording of the Facebook Live, and you could see the monitor in your glasses. It was really funny.
Yeah,
anyway.
They're super shiny. They're new. I'm not sure.
Fancy new lenses.
I'm not used to them yet. They're different.
So anyway, I did my weigh-in this morning for my city's weight loss challenge. Apparently down 4 pounds from what I was the previous week. It was kind of nice because I had to take our youngest to school and just happened to be right by the place where I do the weigh-in, and it just happened to be in the morning, and I usually weigh less in the morning, so yay.
Worked out good.
And the guy's like, that's pretty good. That's pretty good weight loss. What are you doing? I'm like, Keto.
Chow.
I left out the chow part. He's like, how's that working out for you? I'm like,
obviously good. Look at the
well.
numbers.
He's like, cool. I said, yeah, just eat more bacon. He's like, yeah, I can get behind that diet. I'm like, okay, whatever.
Yeah.
So, let's see, what else do we have going on today? Oh, we're going to stop by the place that we get the minerals from, the electrolytes.
Oh, yeah. They said they'd give us a tour of the place, and it'd be cool.
And, well, ostensibly, we might be able to get some of the product that we've been waiting on. We'll see.
Yeah, that'd be good.
The fasting drops and electrolyte drops. Maybe. So, anyhow, I think that's about it. I'm going to say goodbye now, and I will catch you all tomorrow.
Goodbye now.
Bye.
Bye-bye.